President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has ordered the halt to the sealing of several properties in Abuja, including the national headquarters of the People's Democratic Party (PDP), following a controversial directive from the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory (FCT), Nyesom Wike. On Monday, the FCT authorities sealed off business premises, including government offices and the PDP National Secretariat, over unpaid ground rent said to be worth billions of naira. The move sparked widespread criticism and public outrage. Reacting to the situation, PDP chieftain and media personality Dele Momodu praised President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for stepping in to stop Wike's action. He said that it showed that Wike is not above authority and commended the president for curbing what he described as the minister's excesses. "We used to think that we have two presidents in Nigeria, Tinubu and Wike," Momodu said on Instagram. "Now we know Wike as a boss who can checkmate his excesses." Momodu also criticized Wike's role in the political crisis in Rivers State, urging President Tinubu to take similar action there. Another PDP elder, Chief Bode George, also strongly condemned Wike's action in an interview with Arise Television. George accused Wike of turning against the party that supported his rise in politics. "This is the party that brought you to life," he said.
In regard to the locking up of our party, it is absolutely sacrilegious, unacceptable, and culturally inadmissible. One, the Minister of Federal Capital Territory, Wike, Governor Wike, my political son. It looks like as if this is the party that brought you to life. It's like going back to your village and you have your family house. They haven't paid some ground rent and you are the chairman of the local government. The next thing you will do, how much were we owing? 7 million naira, which you could pay. Liken it to his father's property. And then as a member, the same party that gave you the ticket to be chairman of a local government, the ticket to be chief of staff to a governor of PDP, you became a minister of state under PDP, you became a governor for 8 years under PDP. So, who brought you up?
President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has now given all affected parties a 2-week window to settle their debts, easing the tension and allowing political activities to continue. We'll continue to keep you updated with latest news updates. Share your thoughts in the comment box section below and please stay tuned to Naija News TV.